That's recording. What's up? We are making a short film.
We are making a short film, you know. Hey, this gotta be the intro right here. We're just in here chilling.
See if I can wear this and the headlamp at the same time.
Yeah, we might not need it, right? Because it's light there.
Yeah.
It's real light.
It's good. Up or down? All right. Hey. Hey, forward a little bit. Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. That's good. Oh, did you tug it all right?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
You want to pull it still?
We had it on there before, right? And we moved it on?
Yeah, all right. Not sure.
Yeah.
Nothing to see here.
Oh, yeah. That's going to work for sure.
Yeah, so we can lift
Whoa!
it up and set it on there. Where's that pin? Is that inside or you got it?
right in my
Sweet. That's pretty good.
Dude, this could not work out any better. Like, dude, that's sketchy though. It just like could come out at any moment.
But at least it's still in there. I think that's what that rod's for, is right here. You have the rod?
Yeah, it's back there.
You can grab one side of that. It's kind of hard to get left.
1 second.
Perfect.
More. I don't know if I'll be able to.
Almost on the ground.
I'm gonna get the squat position going. Let's go for it.
All right, that's on the ground. So yeah, that's good. Perfect.
Yeah, dude.
Let's go under the gate. Perfect. Should I even cover it? Because it doesn't matter.
Nah, that's cool.
What are you doing? I don't know. Phone or something? You make it look easy. That's all right.
Yeah, it is.
No way.
Yeah.
She's walking through there right now. That's her.
Just let her go in her room.
She's going to her room. She's blocking it.
Yes.
In her room.
Alright, keep going.
Oh man.
This thing's gonna make some noise, so we gotta be quick.
Yeah.
Like maybe we roll it in and then Will gets the.
Yeah.
I just say we're making a short film because what can't you do making a short film?
Don't tip it. All right, y'all keep going. Perfect. Oh, can you lift it over? Back a little bit more. All right, perfect. Hand. All right, you got it. Yep.
Sweet.
Oh
Load it
man,
up in here, man.
that's awesome. We made it unnoticed, except those two people that walked by,
Oh,
but they didn't care. Like, what is that?
What are you doing to it now?
Gonna rebuild it. Gonna just completely tear it apart right here. Probably put a tarp down or something. Is it dripping now?
Ah, no. I mean, it's almost right there.
Yeah.
Ain't bad, though.
Yeah. Pretty nasty. The first time I drained the oil in this, or tried to drain the oil, it was 2 liters of straight water from where it sucked it in. Yeah, so it's like frozen solid. I tried to break it loose by hand with a big breaker bar, and it's just locked